I have recommended Cord, and I'm happy to recommend Cord. It's all round a great product. My name's Douglas Lindsay. I'm the Director of Engineering at 2B2B. We are a buy now, pay later solution in the business-to-business market, and we've been using Cord quite heavily as part of our scale-up. The big challenges around hiring for a startup at our stage particularly is volume and the cost of hiring. Recruitment agents are very, very expensive. We found when we were trying to scale up from about 8 to about 50 personnel in total, that was just punitive. It was unachievable. So Cord offered us a much better model to be able to do that. The big difference between Cord and recruitment agents, of course, is not just the cost basis, it's also the whole interaction model. Typically, my day's activity will involve a bit of looking through the search facility to find candidates that I think might be a good hit, quite a lot of time reaching out to those candidates, responding to messages from those, also from anybody who directly approaches us. There are a large number of candidates on Cord, but that doesn't indicate a dilution of quality. I find there are a large number of high-quality candidates on Cord. The search filters are invaluable. Often we don't really know what profile of candidate we're looking for when we start. Search filters gives us the chance to try a few things and see. It also gives me the chance to check on salary scale, on location, on interest in hybrid versus remote working, and that's all very important for us too. We had begun by hiring essentially regardless of location, so a large number of our hires were remote, and Cord was great for supporting that. My favourite feature on Cord has to be the immediacy of the messaging. As a startup, what we have to offer is excitement and engagement and fast pace. The messaging format really works for that. I see most candidates responding fairly quickly. Ultimately, any candidate that's active on Cord is quite motivated to find something. We see about 46% response to our messages toward candidates. Ultimately, that is quite a healthy number to start with. We've made about 11 direct hires from Cord since we started. We're looking forward to making many more. Typical agency costs for us were running somewhere from £8,000 to £10,000 per hire for engineering. Cord's subscription model just makes all the difference. Using Cord instead for those 11 hires has essentially saved us of the order of 100 grand. I have recommended Cord, and I'm happy to recommend Cord. The messaging model particularly makes lots of sense to people these days. The cost basis makes lots of sense to CFOs. It's all round a great product.